Tim Kanak with Perkins Roofing here. I got a short one for you. One more reason why I hate concrete tiles and why I always recommend a clay tile. So if you hear me talking about clay tile all the time, check this out. We have 3 manufacturers of concrete tile right now. Basically, you got Westlake / Boral, same company, Eagle, and you got Crown. I'm sitting on some Eagle tiles that we just installed here. Looks pretty good until you look nice and close and you see there are scratches on the front of every single tile. And the reason this happens is because they're trying to pump these tiles out so fast that they send them straight from the manufacturer, straight from the factory. And the paint doesn't have time to cure before they start stacking the tiles. They don't paint it because these are painted. The color is not baked in like a clay tile. It's not baked, it's painted on. So it's going to fade over time. The more you pressure clean it, it also fades. The more the sun hits it, the more it also fades. But despite that, these scratches on these tiles happen from loading because they make them, they paint them, and they send them out way too early before the paint dries, and then they get these scratches on them. Every single tile has these scratches. So this is why, and it's not like I can come through. You see even the ones that we have not put on yet, scratches, 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 scratches. This is why I don't like concrete tiles. There's nothing we can do about that. We can only install the products that were delivered. And I did recommend to this client to do clay tile, and they didn't want to pay the extra for it, even though the clay tile is less maintenance because these are going to absorb about 20% moisture. The clay tile is going to absorb 2% moisture as a grade 1 clay tile, which means that less cleaning. It means no fade because the color is actually baked into the clay tiles. They are stronger. The clay tiles are just significantly better all around. One more thing to point out to you. You see this is a blend. So we have a few different colors here that get blended in. The house next door also has a blend, but you have to be careful with these blends that your tile installers are actually mixing the tiles. But you see right here, there's one giant like gray spot right here where they put all the same color in a giant block and didn't mix them in. So that's why you need good installers. You need someone who's going to mix the tiles up and install them mixed, so the purpose of the blend happens and you get a blend, not spots on the roof. But it's unfortunate, these scratches, and they'll probably be there for a little while. I just did an annual inspection where he had scratches on a Westlake tile, so it's not like this is Eagle only because these are Eagle tiles, which if you don't know what you have, it says right here, label Eagle. You got your batch number and everything. That's on every tile. You'll get the same thing on any brand of tile, your batch number and your code. But just important to note that this is happening on every concrete tile. This is not like a Eagle thing. There's only 3 manufacturers, and because everyone's been bought out, they don't manufacture them as well as they used to. So to be honest, the concrete tiles from 20 years ago are better than the ones that are manufactured now. So go clay if you're going tile. If you need roofing services, give us a call. Miami-Dade, Broward, the Keys, 305 MIA Roof. For Palm Beach County, St. Lucie, and Martin counties, 561-559 Roof. For franchising, if you want to install tiles yourself, then hopefully promote clay just like I do because they're better, not because they're more expensive. They're better. There's a reason that they're more expensive because they're better tiles. It takes longer to fabricate them. They're better. They're coming from Spain or Italy. Give us a call if you want those things. Perkins Construction, also in business if you need windows and don't want shutters. If you want impact windows, give us a call. And then also franchising, franchise at perkinsroofing.net. See you in the next video.